Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we are going to make a boutonniere with Trader Joe flowers. So today we have their garden roses, which are gorgeous. It came with I think 10 or is it 8? Oh, it come with 8 for $10. That's pretty good because garden roses are usually really expensive. So we have our garden roses, and then we're gonna also use some dried floral that I have. We're gonna also need some corsage pins, some tape, what is it called? A glue gun. We're gonna need some clippers, which you can get off of my website, which is exquisitefloralsupply.com. We're gonna need some ribbon, and also we're gonna need some scissors. Okay. Oh, and we're also going to need some wire. I just have a wire pad. I always forget to get the long strips, but that is what we need. And the wire is 24 gauge, and all I did was cut a piece of it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and find us one of these lovely garden roses. We are going to go ahead and clip it, and then because garden roses always have so many so get a little closer, and I'm gonna move you. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the petals on the side, and I am old school when it comes to my boutonnieres, so I'm going to stick in. Now normally we would remove the stem and create a stem to make it thinner, but I'm just going to use this right here to make my stem stronger. And then we're just going to take this right here, and we are going to wrap the stem all the way down. And I'm gonna leave it a little because I want, my stem to kind of show. Okay, so now that we have that, super easy, we're going to go ahead and take, I'm gonna move this stuff out the way. We're gonna take some of our dry floral. Guess we're gonna take some of this dry floral, and I have some. All right, so let's just take this. We're gonna take this. Then we're gonna take a little bit of our ruscus. Pull it, some of that off. Clip another one. Right there. Then we're gonna take some of these. Let's see. I think I'm gonna put it kind of. Let's see. I'm gonna see what makes it. It's gonna make it look good. All I do is mess with stuff until it's looking like I want it to look. Let's see. Would this be pretty on it? Here's another piece. Maybe a smaller piece would do some justice. Let's try this piece right here, because I wanted to get, see, yeah, maybe that's it right there. Let's see. Now what I usually go do is test it on myself to see what it looks like. To me, it's very pretty. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and we're gonna wrap it together. Yep. And I may kind of pull some stuff to the front. And then all I'm gonna do is cut this to the side as is. And then I'm gonna take my gold, I think I'm gonna cut. Then I'm gonna just take my hot glue gun and kind of run down right here. this to the side, you guys. Then I'm gonna take this ribbon and I am just going to wrap it around a few times. This is going to be the gold, because I thought I had some gold spray paint. Do I? No. And we're just gonna cut. Now, every designer has their own way of securing their ribbon. For me, my way is a double knot. So I'm gonna take my ribbon and I am going to tie once, tie twice, and cut one at an angle, cut the second at an angle, and there you have it. I'll remove this out and this one out of the way. And now I may kind of, one thing I love about is that you can always, and there we go. We have our lovely, lovely, lovely boutonniere. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also join my YouTube channel. Become a member starting as low as $6.99, where you'll get exclusive videos on the secrets of being a floral designer, a florist. You should watch the video and know which is which. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hehehe